kind of ridiculous. Get up this early, go fishing.
4:30?
Yeah, can't even get out till
It's 5
daylight.
o'clock now.
Oh, I'm sorry. We got an hour before we can even get out. We could have slept another half hour, 45 minutes.
No, we can get out. Yeah.
But yesterday evening was the best.
Of all time.
We caught 30 fish in about 2 hours.
That's right.
And it was all
Big.
over 12 inches.
Mm.
Yeah, like 14, 15, maybe 16.
So it was worth going back out yet last night.
In 2 hours, too.
Yep.
In 2
30.
hours.
30 fish in 2 hours.
All big.
Nobody would believe that,
Nobody'd believe it.
but believe it. What time is it right now?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
Skies is clear. You
So
see
it gets daylight at 6.
Yeah, you can see every comet in the sky.
Yeah. It's just wonderful. It was the best day ever, as far as I'm concerned.
It was a good day.
I mean, when you can catch 20 slab crappies like that in Patoka Lake,
Well, we caught 50 yesterday.
total,
We
Total.
caught 20.
20 in the
came
morning,
in at 8. Then went out and caught 30.
30. Ooh, 30. Wow. That's unbelievable, really. And as big as they were. And what did we catch them on?
Everything. They're biting everything.
Beetle spin.
Beetle spins mostly.
All beetle spin, 2-inch tail. Color didn't seem to matter. I think it was all different colors.
Yeah.
But the water was clear, calm, in the stick-ups. We're not going to tell where. Somebody might get this illegally.
Like Uncle Paul used to say,
Go to the
Walls
stick-ups.
ramp, put it stick up.
Well, that's what you told that guy. Where'd y'all
right.
catch him at? At the stick-ups? Well, you're really giving me a secret. All right. Today is Sunday, May the 22nd, 2021. And this is our official Curmudgeon spring fishing trip. Along with me is Buzz Ward. Everybody knows Buzz. And so this is Sunday, and we're just going to recap today. We caught 5 this morning, and usually we would go back out later, but today we're going to rest. We've caught 100 in 3 days so far. The biggest crappie I've ever caught at one time. But we worked on a boat. We moved the transducer down lower on the boat because most of the time it was sticking out of the water, so it wasn't doing any good. We had to run to the back of the boat to get the depth. And then I got some new lights for the front of the boat, and so we put those on. Had to run to the house and get drill bits and some stuff. Made some tea. We're making a fire, and I don't know if you can see it. I'll turn it around, but I can't see what's going on.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know how to reverse this thing while I'm talking. But we got a fire going because we're gonna cook some hot dog or hamburgers over the fire. So we're having hamburgers for supper and some pinto beans. So that'll be good. And we got plenty of wood. I'll show you a picture of that in a minute, but maybe you can see it. Jonathan brought all that wood, and I made, did I say I made tea?
Yeah.
I'll say it again before it's over with. I made tea. What else have we done? Anything else today?
Not today, just gonna wait on taking a shower.
Oh, take a shower. We're going to take a shower. So we won't smell when Butch shows up.
You want to show what's hanging on the back of that motor?
Hanging on, no. That's unedited. So, adios, amigos. So quiet. So you made that fire?
Yes,
And it's guaranteed to burn. Look at it smoking.
it is burning, and it
There's
is smoking.
there's flames. Now it's like 90 degrees outside, and we built a fire. But the main thing on the fire is we got to cook them hot dogs.
Hamburger.
And they're hamburger,
Hamburgers.
scratch it. And then we got this whole pile of wood that Jonathan brought us. He was a good man. And so we're just having a wonderful time kicking back here at the campsite. And
We're gonna eat, take a shower, come back and watch a movie.
oh boy, a couple maybe.
Yeah.
Depends on when
Relax.
it goes big. Yeah, we are relaxing. So, adios. We'll talk later, more later.
And here we are, out in the rain.
Well, thanks.
Oh,
See? Look at this. What a mess.
Smile, we're on rainy camera. Rainy,
Last day of fishing.
rainy, candid camera.
Yeah.
This is a mess.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Get Bobby here. He's a mess too.
I'm always a mess.
We're all a mess.
Glad to be here.
There's a
though.
picture.
That's a scary one right
Push
there.
the white button and get that photo.
What?
Like that.
Push the white button, it'll take the photo. He said. I didn't know that. How
I
about
didn't
that?
either.
Isn't that something?
I didn't either.
You're videoing, taking pictures too.
You got one of those jigs? Anybody? The big jig?
In the jig box. So the jig one right there.
Is that what
Probably jigging it.
I'm jigging it. No, not really. I'm digging it. Well, that's the color.
Wednesday. Rain. And very slow biting fish. And there's Chip standing out in the rain.
Did you know that?
Look, Chip caught that big one. Look at it.
Are you videoing?
Yep.
Here, let me hold this one up.
Look how big that one is.